Okay guys, so today we've got one of these €0.5 GEGE cylinders, and as you can see by the bit in there, we've got some pretty cool bit in there as well. We've got a nice low pin there protecting the high one there, and then a couple of high ones there and a couple of medium ones there. Really like the bow on the key on these GEGs. Yeah, really very cool. And cool. The lock works very smoothly, of course. As I say, it's just a stock GEGE that I got from Gordon W. Actually, I'll put a link for Gordon W's YouTube channel there. But obviously these things are pretty tough to pick, and I'm just going to show you the way I sort of attack them, and then we can sort of go from there. Really, I tend to use very light tension, and I tend to sort of twist the pick as we go through, and the other way, which I seem to have quite a lot of success with these GEGE cylinders, is for to use a very fine pick. So we're going to go in with a 13 thousandths very flexible pick, which tends to give me quite a lot of success with these GEGs. So listen, what we'll do, we'll get you zoomed in, and of course once we get it open, we'll take it apart. We'll have a look at the GEGE spools, because they're very clever. Okay, so of course we've got the 13,000. I'll just show you the lock works again. Just catch it on the back there. Okay, let's get you focused. Okay, let's go. The 6-pin GEGE. Okay, so very light tension. I'll try and sort of go through pin by pin and tell you what I'm doing as we sort of go through the lock. Let's just get ourselves there you go. Okay, so pin 2 is binding. I just light tension, and just as I go in and feel the binder, just give the pick a little bit of a turn as well. That's pin 1, 2, 3 and 4 pretty much set, I think. Let's just go to 6. Okay. Obviously we've got a low pin protecting number 6, so got to be quite careful and got to kind of navigate around this warding as well. Okay. Okay, pin 6 feels alright actually. Once again, you're just looking for any spring pressure on the pins to tell you whether it's set or not. Okay. Okay, let's just go back to the beginning. Okay, pin 1 feels good. Pin 2 feels good. The other thing is making sure you get that pick absolutely spot on that pin, on that key pin, just to make sure that you're absolutely right on it. Okay, little click out of 5 at a time. Okay, and there you go, we're open. So not too difficult really, if you just use the light tension. Let me just get this voice out of the way and we can show you we're properly open there. Let's just put that down there, that's good. So as you can see, we're well and truly open there. Let's just get you zoomed out there. Okay, so as I said, if you use that light tension and just use a very flexible pick, I find you get quite a good result on them. So listen, let's get this taken apart. I'm going to lock it back up. As you can see, we're well and truly open there. Okay, so I'll just it's just going to be easier to get this clip off. Okay. It'll probably take longer to get the clip off if we're not careful. There we go, got the clip off. Let's just bring the pin in dry over. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get this apart here. I think this should just sort of, I think we should be able to See, I've never taken this thing apart, have I? It's just see if we can pull this forward slightly. See if we can drop that actuator out, maybe a little bit more. There we go, drop that out. Let's get a follower. Just put that bit down there for a second. Okay, so we got. Should just be alright to go straight through. There we go. And of course you've got all the pins there working nicely. Very, very similar to the Assa. See the little counter milling in the actual core there. Get that down there. 1, 2, 3. A bit of anti-drill there. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once again, you can see the counter milling there, which catches with the GEGE spools, as you'll see in a little while. Let's just get these around the right way. Wonderful locks to pick. I mean, they really are fun to pick. I say, I know they can be a bit tough sometimes, but I think once you get that that balance of that tension right, then you just have fun with them, really. Okay, so we got one there. They're all going to be standard, I would have thought. They all felt exactly the same. Cool, 6. I can see that all the springs are the same, so we'll just dump them out. There's one in there as well. Okay, so that is my method of picking the, there's nothing in the Bible there, it's all nice and stock. So that's my method of picking the GEGEs, and I tend to try to keep that same method for each and every one. As you can see by this, the GEGE spools, they're a very, very clever design. You know, there's not a great deal to them, but they're very, very effective. Of course, they're all exactly the same. So there you go. That is the 6-pin GEGE. Listen, guys, hope you enjoyed that, and of course, we'll be back very soon with another video. There you go, guys. Have a nice day. Cheers. Bye.